Welcome to the channel. Today, I'm reviewing 13 cool gadgets, carefully selected based on research and testing for various needs. Whether you're seeking affordability, performance, or specific features, I've categorized the products to suit different buyer preferences. Check the description for up-to-date prices and details. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications. Let's dive in. Number 1. Telescopic Magnetic Flashlight. Light up your adventures with our flexible telescopic camping lantern. Extending up to 42 inches, it offers wide illumination and folds for easy storage. The powerful magnetic base securely attaches to metal surfaces, while the 14 mAh battery delivers up to 40 hours of light and doubles as a power bank. Enjoy 4 lighting modes, stepless brightness adjustment, and Bluetooth music playback. Built tough with IPX5 waterproofing, it's the ultimate camping essential for any outdoor enthusiast. Number 2. Radio-controlled model of an all-terrain tank. Experience high-speed action with our powerful RC car. Featuring a 130 by 290 motor, it reaches speeds of 8 km per hour for thrilling performance. The 7.4 volts 500 mAh battery charges in 180 minutes and delivers 15 minutes of non-stop fun. The 4G remote control ensures 50 meters of range with smooth handling. Available in desert yellow and German gray, this 26.5 centimeters model is designed for speed, durability, and adventure. Get ready for the ultimate RC driving experience. Number 3. Rechargeable battery for road bike. Upgrade your ride with a CHI-Bike electric bike motor kit. Powered by a 200 watts brushed motor, it delivers speeds up to 25 km per hour with a 31-mile range on a single charge. The 12 volts battery ensures 5-hour fast charging. Designed for city roads and gravel trails, it fits mountain and road bikes with seat post sizes ranging from 25.4 mm to 31.6 mm. Lightweight and efficient, this kit transforms your bike into a powerful electric ride. Number 4. High-pressure car wash. Blast away dirt with a 2-in-1 pressure washer undercarriage cleaner. With a 60 degrees angled wand, it removes grime from cars, trucks, and trailers without crawling underneath. Switch to water broom mode for driveways, decks, and sidewalks. Featuring a 1/4 quick connect, it supports 1500 to 4000 psi pressure washers for maximum cleaning power. Easy to use, highly efficient, and durable, it's the perfect tool for maintaining vehicles and outdoor spaces effortlessly. Number 5. 4K Webcam for PC or Mac. Upgrade your video calls with the Insta360 Link 2C. Featuring a half-sensor, 4K HDR, and low-light optimization, it delivers stunning clarity. The AI noise-canceling mic ensures crystal-clear audio, while fast PDAF autofocus keeps you in sharp focus. Enjoy gesture controls, auto-framing, and DSLR-like bokeh effects. Whether streaming, conferencing, or content creation, this webcam offers top-tier image quality, professional audio, and advanced AI tracking for a seamless experience. Number 6. Magnetic Charging Station. Charge smarter with the Baseus Nomos 67 watts charging station. Featuring Qi 2 certified 15 watts MagSafe wireless charging, 3 USB-C ports, 1 USB-A port, and 3 AC outlets, it powers all your devices efficiently. Fast charge your MacBook Pro to 50% in 38 minutes and Samsung S24 Ultra to 63% in 30 minutes. The ultra-slim foldable design and adjustable stand make it perfect for travel. Stay organized, charged, and productive wherever you go. Number 7. Cordless Rotary Tool. Unleash creativity with a 12 volts cordless rotary tool. Equipped with 5 speed settings, 7, 500-32, 000 RPM, it's perfect for sanding, grinding, and engraving. The 2.0 lithium-ion battery ensures extended use, while the lightweight 1.38 pounds design provides ultimate comfort. The universal chuck supports quick accessory changes, making it ideal for DIYers and professionals. Complete with 114 accessories and a durable carrying bag, this rotary tool is a must-have for any craft or repair project. Number 8. Wireless Keyboard Shortcut. Boost productivity with the AC5 Wireless Shortcut Keyboard. Winner of the Good Design Award 2023, It connects via Bluetooth 5.0, USB dongle, or cable, with a compact 75 grams build and a 1000 mAh battery lasting 300 hours. It's built for efficiency. Customize 40 shortcuts across 4 sets for seamless workflow. The anti-ghosting keys and ergonomic layout make it perfect for creators, students, and gamers. Elevate your work and play with this powerful shortcut remote. Number 9. Multitool. Meet the FlexDale Gear 2.0 Multitool, your ultimate survival companion. Crafted from 420 stainless steel, this 89 grams powerhouse features cutting tools, a fire starter, a bottle opener, a can knife, a nail puller, wire cutter, screwdriver, wrench, and measuring instrument. Compact at 9 centimeters, expanding to 20 centimeters, it's perfect for camping, hiking, and everyday carry. Durable, lightweight, and versatile, this tool is a must-have for any adventurer or DIY enthusiast. Number 10. Aromatherapy Diffuser. Relax and refresh with a 200 ml Aromatherapy Diffuser. Featuring timed settings, 1H/3H/5H, 10 to 25 ml/H mist output, and silent operation. It enhances sleep and reduces stress. Add essential oils for soothing fragrance, while the automatic shutoff prevents dry burning. Made from ABS plus PP materials, it's stylish, compact, and energy efficient. With a soft night light function, this diffuser creates a perfect calming atmosphere for home, office, or yoga sessions. Number 11. Outdoor CCTV Camera. Keep your home safe with a Baseus Outdoor Solar Security Camera. Featuring AI motion detection, color night vision, and IP67 waterproofing, it offers 24/7 surveillance in any weather. The solar-powered battery lasts 180 days, while the 360 degrees tilt and pan ensures full coverage. Enjoy two-way audio, 8x zoom, and Alexa/Google Assistant compatibility. With 8 GB built-in storage, this smart security solution keeps your property protected with cutting-edge technology. Number 12. Docking Station. Upgrade connectivity with the 8-in-1 USB-C hub. Featuring real-time parameter display, it supports 4K 60 Hz video output, 100 watts PD fast charging, and USB 3.0 high-speed transfers. Connect mice, keyboards, external drives, and SD/TF cards effortlessly. The intelligent cooling system prevents overheating, while the sleek, compact design enhances portability. Ideal for creators, gamers, and professionals, this hub is a powerful all-in-one solution for modern workflows. Number 13. Smart Cordless Screwdriver. Tackle DIY projects with ease using the Smart Electric Screwdriver Set. Featuring 5 ultra-tough 12S2 steel bits, auto-on LED lighting, and a magnetic tip for fast bit swapping, it's built for precision work. Weighing just 0.55 pounds, the ergonomic rubber grip ensures comfort. Enjoy 3 torque settings and smart sensor braking for total control. The 1500 mAh battery lasts over 1000 screws per charge. Complete with a sleek aluminum case, it's the ultimate DIY tool. I hope this video helped you. If you found this review useful, please give it a thumbs up and share this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you won't miss any of our future reviews. And as always, if you have any questions or recommendations, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and breathe easy.